Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'm going to show you how to make basic workflows in eWay-CRM. Workflow is a feature that allows you to automate processes. Each company has developed its best practices, a set of steps everybody needs to follow to get the job done. Such best practices can be automated by eWay-CRM. This video shows how to work with workflow in eWay-CRM Desktop, but all steps are identical for eWay-CRM Online. If defined, you will find the Workflow panel in the top section of an item, in our case a deal. Workflow consists of a set of steps a deal has to go through before it's marked as closed won or closed lost. In some organizations, the steps have to be made one by one, and they can't be skipped. Some customers want it really simple and they want to freely switch between statuses with no limitations. This is why we made basic workflows. Basic workflows can be created in the new Admin Center and you can set it up for any module. Let's have a look. If you open a new Admin Center, click on Workflow. You will get a list of all modules just like the intended one. We will use deals. You will get a list of all workflows that are already available in the module. This small label tells you if it's the basic workflow or the advanced one. To create a new workflow, just type in its name and confirm. eWay-CRM will automatically create a new deal type and ask you if you want to create a basic workflow or an advanced one. The advanced workflows are very complex, and we created a separate video to explain how they work. Today, we will click Basic Workflow. If you click on this button, you can add steps. We will be just fine with steps A, B, C, and D. In deals, you can assign a probability of winning the opportunity for each status and say which statuses represent won and lost. When you are done, just click Save and we're done. Let's have a look at eWay-CRM. We will create a new deal and select our new type. Workflows are related to the item types, and if your item doesn't contain the type field, use the form designer to make it available. Notice that statuses in the Workflow panel changed, and we can see our A, B, C, and D. You can freely switch between them, and if you click on B, for example, the probability will be updated as well. If you click C, eWay-CRM asks you whether you want to convert the deal into a project. Couldn't be any simpler. You can create such basic workflows in any eWay-CRM module with just one small difference. You cannot set up the probability. This is only allowed in deals. Everything else is identical. If you need to create a complex workflow, play your next video dedicated to advanced workflows. It's really good. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.